XRP is going to have a massive week this week. It's literally the most important week for XRP all year this week. This week, we have not only CPI, which is going to shape the course of cryptos for the next 2 months, but we also have the Clarity Act. There is a meeting this Friday, just 5 days from now. And this could potentially get passed by then. There is also the DTCC, $114 trillion assets cleared, back doing stocks, ETFs, treasuries on chain, backed by everybody, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs. They are targeting their first limited production tokenization trades. So this is very, very, very big, and they are going to potentially be using Ripple, the Ripple ledger. But on Monday, the Senate is returning and the Clarity Act enters its final push before the August recess. And just today, Forbes ranks XRP number 4 among all cryptocurrencies worth investing in, citing strong global financial use cases and institutional partnerships. This is big, guys. Banks are coming out and saying XRP is a really good investment right now while it's at these prices, because they know that they're going to be like, look, we told you so. And they could say, oh, look, it's 5x, 10x from when we said this. XRP is $1. This is literally the bottom of the barrel. If you take a look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is at the bottom. Bitcoin has always bottomed at the electrical cost, and it's at the electrical cost bands indicator right now at the very bottom. Let me know if you guys think that this is the bottom for Bitcoin in the comments below. But this week we have CPI and odds of inflation rising have dropped to a new low of 19%. This is because the war is basically ended and the Strait of Hormuz is open. And that is why oil is down 40%. Oil is down 40%, guys. And this has a huge impact on what is about to happen to crypto. So this coming Tuesday, we have CPI. Wednesday, we have PPI. This is all inflation metrics. And energy is one of the biggest portion of inflation metrics. With energy down 40-50%, that means inflation has come down significantly, because if you look at the pump, gas prices are significantly lower than what they were the last couple of months. And the Fed is going to see this, and that is a huge shock to the Fed. And the crypto market has crashed the past couple of months because for quite a long time, the market was pricing in rate cuts. But now the market was pricing in, because we had one hot CPI, because oil was up so high because of the war, the market started to price in rate hikes. And the Fed has to move with the oncoming data, not speculation. So this data this week is going to show inflation coming down. And the Fed is going to be moving based off of that information. And that is all happening this week. So it's about to get absolutely crazy. If inflation and PPI come in much lower than expectations, cryptos like XRP are going to go absolutely crazy. And if that continues to happen, we have FOMC at the end of this month. They're going to talk about rate cuts. And then we have the Clarity Act, which is going to pour trillions of dollars into XRP. This is absolutely insane, guys. If you are holding XRP, this is, in my opinion, not financial advice. This is the time to buy. This is the time to load up. I believe XRP is going to get to $5 to $7 probably by next year. Probably by next year. I think next year is when it's going to be the most bullish year we have ever seen for cryptos. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. If you guys love XRP, give this video a thumbs up. You're going to want to make sure you subscribe with notifications on, because you're not going to want to miss my next video. That's going to be it for today, and I will see you all later.